If 3 to the power x plus 6 to the power x all over 3 to the power x equals 17, what is x? Let's look at the solution together. So we have been given 3 to the power x plus 6 to the power x all over 3 to the power x being equal to 17. This can be written as 3 to the power x over 3 to the power x plus 6 to the power x over 3 to the power x is equal to 17. This is just our knowledge in algebra. If I have 1 plus 2 all over 3, this is the same as 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. So that's what we are applying over here. From this, I have 3 to the power x over 3 to the power x. They are the same. Therefore, we are getting 1. Plus, I have 6 to the power x. I have 3 to the power x. We can see that I have a power of x in the numerator. I have a power of x in the denominator. Therefore, this can be written as 6 over 3 all to the power x. This is equal to 17. Why are you writing this? We are writing this because if I have a over b all to the power x, this can be written as a to the power x over b to the power x. So the x here affects what is in the bracket. So if I have this, you can put all in the bracket and give it a single power. From this, I have 1 plus, so 6 over 3, we are getting 2 to the power x is equal to 17. From this, we group our like terms. I have 2 to the power x equals 17. This one will come here as minus 1. From this, I have 2 to the power x is equal to 16. 16 can be simplified further or can be written as a number in index form. I have 2 to the power x is equal to 16 is the same as 2 raised to the power 4, which implies that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 times 2 gives us 8. 8 times 2 gives us 16. So that's what we have done here. Now I have an equation being equal to, I have an equation here. So I have 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 4. Since the bases at both sides are the same, we therefore conclude that our x is equal to 4. You can verify to see if our 4 is correct. So we are verifying. We were given 3 to the power x plus 6 to the power x all over 3 to the power x is equal to 17. Let's put in our 4 here and see if that is correct. So I have 3 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 4 all over 3 to the power 4. From this, 3 to the power 4 is 81. So with our calculator, so I have 81 plus 6 to the power 4. That is 1296. Then all over 3 to the power 4 again, 81. Now when I add 81 to 1296, that is giving me 1377 divided by 81. When I divide that by 81, we are getting our answer to be 17, which shows that the 4 we had is very accurate and correct. See you in the next one.